In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the Unsharp Mask. It actually sharpens things. It doesn't unsharpen them or make them blurry at all. It's a very handy tool. I don't think it's used that often, so let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just focus on the top of the stone there. I'm just going to zoom in and come over here. So you can see it's a bit blurry around there. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit more so you can see a bit better. There we go. So it looks a bit blurry there. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to duplicate the background layer, Control J, just so we can see it before and after. Once you're on the layer you want, you go up to Filter and then Sharpen and down here Unsharp Mask. This is basically trial and error. It's up to you, up to the size of your image. This is quite a large image that I've got here. So the amount in percent I worked out earlier, this works well at about 250 around there. And you can see it changing already. I don't generally play with those, so I leave those alone, but you're more than welcome to. The radius of the pixels, it just makes it look a bit horrid like that. So we'll take that back to 1. So clicking on the preview, you can see an adjustment there. You can see it's all blurry here without it, and clicking it on, it gets a lot sharper. So I'm going to push OK and Control and 0 to zoom all the way out. So that is the before and that is the after. If you look very carefully, you can notice it. Slight changes, basically separates the shadows with the highlights and sharpens it up for you. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click on the bell, get your notifications. Thank you very much.